Hello and thank you for registering with Arc. In this video I will show you how to download, install and activate the Waldorf Arc plugins, Attack, PPG Wave and Dpole. From Arc, follow the link through to the Waldorf website. Here you will need to add Edition 2 LE to your basket and then proceed to checkout. If you already have a Waldorf account, log into your account using the boxes on the left hand side. Otherwise, enter your details into the registration boxes to set up a new account. Once you've registered, you will receive an email from Waldorf asking you to verify your account. So click on the link in the email and then click Next. On the final payment screen, enter your voucher code from the Arc website and then click Add. The cost of the product will then drop to $0. Make sure to read through and accept Waldorf's terms and conditions of sale and then click Finish. You can now view your order details, which includes your coupon code for your download. Copy this coupon to your clipboard by highlighting it and pressing Command and C or Control and C if you're on a PC. To download the bundle, go to the My Waldorf tab and then click on Redeem a Coupon Code on the right hand side. Paste the coupon code you copied before into the box and click Redeem. If you didn't copy the coupon, don't worry, it will be in an email sent to you by Waldorf. Now you've redeemed the bundle, the download will appear as well as the activation code for actually activating the plugins when you open them. Select the Mac or Windows download depending on your system and wait for the bundle to download. On a Mac, double-click on the zip file and open the package file to run the installer. Follow this through, making sure to read through the license agreements during the installation process. And similarly, with Windows, open the downloaded file and follow the installer through. Once it's been installed on your system, open your digital audio workstation and open one of the Waldorf instruments or the Dpole plugin. Details on how to do this can be found in your audio programs documentation. When first opening a plugin, it will ask for the activation email and code. Enter these details and click Activate. Now remove the plugin from the channel strip and reopen it to make sure that the activation process has worked correctly. You're now ready to use the Waldorf Edition 2 LE instruments and plugins. We hope you enjoy them and get some really creative results. Thanks for watching.